So even if you think you're a Canvas expert, I still want to walk you through this class so you can kind of get a gist of how I specifically organize it. So you can see we are here on our beautiful home page. And if you look to the right of your screen, you can see this little thing, I don't remember what it's called, is the announcements. So you can click on that and look at announcements. Oh, cute, it's the first day of school. I'll have more interesting things in here usually, but for now, it's the first week of school. That's the biggest announcement we have. You can also see, as I'm sure you know, it generates your to-do list, so the assignments that you need to do for the week. And so let's take a look at that. So you can click on this, but you'll miss the lesson if you just click on the assignments. You'll be like, I don't know what to do. So you'll go to modules. And oh look, here it is. March 25th through 32nd. So just the week, obviously, the date of when it is and what week number. You got a little overview that you can click on, and this will show you the objectives, what it means to be successful that week, and then a to-do list. It's all broken down, super easy. And then sometimes I'll have some interesting tips to help you along the way. So if you just want to get an idea of what a lesson will look like, it's got the book. So the clipboard means it's an overview. The book means it's a lesson. And you click on a lesson, a general lesson. It will always have a title, the objective in green at the top, and then the lesson. So I'll have a video usually. Here you go. You watch a little video. I'll have some reading. And then a to-do list in purple at the bottom. So you get the content, the objective, and exactly what you need to do. So we can hit next and do the assignment. And I have the directions, how to submit it. We'll often do a PDF or a Google Drive. It'll alternate. And then the rubric for your assignment. So let's look at a couple more things. So that's kind of, you got the book, means it's a lesson. Clipboard's the overview. Pencil means that's what you have to actually do. That's where you submit something. Oh, so this target here means it's a quiz. So you'll click on it, take the quiz, easy. If you see this beautiful, well, let's look at it from modules. If you see this beautiful crystal ball, that means it's a discussion or a reflection, but probably a discussion. So you'll click on it, and then I'll have the discussion prompt, whatever you need to do. You'll hit reply and make your comment of whatever I told you to do. So that is the basics. And you can see most of that from the home page. Again, announcements are here, and that is where you'll always see the important stuff. Assignments that are ready to go, but you'll want to go through the lessons and modules. If you ever forget the key, it's just right here at the bottom, so you can remember what everything is. But it's pretty simple. I feel very confident in your abilities, but of course you can always ask questions if you have them.